30 days financial transformation. Your step by step guide to financial freedom. That is what we are going to cover in today's video. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, I will guide you through step by step plan to transform your finances in just 1 month. Whether you are looking to save more, to reduce your debt, or even to increase your income, I have got you. This is Alex Chabari. If you haven't subscribed, why not subscribe? Let's dive in. The first week, you need to assess your current financial situation. What does this mean? This is whereby you need to create a budget, have a working budget. This is whereby you know after you have received your income, in which areas do you spend your money on? Have a T column whereby you have an income and an expense side, whereby all the incomes you have, either it is from investment, your salary, your business, note them down all. And on the other side, know where your money goes. Either it is by paying rent, paying for water bill, paying for electricity bill, either for vacation. Have all those down. The next thing which you need to do is you identify that some of us have debt, but we don't know. When was your last time did you check your CRB report to Kenya's Credit Bureau Standard? What was the last time when you checked for that thing? You need to review on that. Know which debt you have and come up with the strategies on how you can pay them and eradicate them completely. The third thing which you want to do is set your financial goals. Have short-term goals. For example, in the next 1 month, I want to do this, and this. For example, have long-term goal like in 5 years to come. In 5 years, you must be able to foreshadow. In 5 years to come, I would like to have the following item, or I would like to have reached a certain level in my finances. And by having that in the first week, let's get into the week 2. Remember that I have seen is for 1 month. The second week, what you need to do is you cut off unnecessary expenses. These are things to do with subscription. Some of us have subscribed to some things which they don't use. Either you have subscribed for a gym, you don't attend this gym. You might have already subscribed to either every end of the month. You have agreed that we will be going for a vacation, yet you don't attend. Remember, your money it is getting out of your pocket. So if you know that you have these kind of things, or you have, for example, you have subscribed to some series like Netflix, go and stop them. That money you can give it a task. Then next thing is have and grocery savings. Plan your meal and you start shopping smart because you have seen something. Some of us they buy these perishable items because maybe they have been sold them to them at affordable prices. Yet after 2 to 3 days or after a week, these things they get burnt and you throw them away. And remember that you used the money to buy these items. So what I can encourage you, if it is perishable items, buy them at small quantity, or if you have there is refrigeration process, you can buy them, go and store them in your fridge so that you can be using them slowly by slowly. The other thing you need to consider is your lifestyle adjustment. Some of us, in case they get a salary increment, they increase their lifestyle, and this is affecting us. Some of us they want to showcase to our friends, to our family members, to our relatives. We want to show them you are succeeding. Yet inside you, you know that this thing it is not working for me. Hmm? Have these changes. Stay where you are. In case of realize, just maintain your lifestyle. Don't increase it. And in the third week, this whereby you start focusing on increasing your income. Remember that already you know you have cut the unnecessary expenses. You know you have already tracked your income and your expenses. The third week you need to increase your income. How? This is how you can do it. After your 8 to 5 job, you can start a side hustle. Either you can be providing a service to people and they can be giving you money. That's one method of increasing your income. The second thing, you can be giving out people services like me. After my job, I come into this YouTube and share to you my knowledge, what I have and in my expertise. Exchange them to you. You can sell an online course. You may have written an ebook you can sell to a client. You can offer consultation services in your area of specialization, and you can charge people and get your income away from your salary. The second thing, how you can increase your income is by selling unused items. Some of us have a lot of electronics in our house which we haven't used, for example, for the last 1 year, 6 months, and that is when someone else may be in need of that thing. You can go and resell it. You may resell it either on online, you can sell it in is on physical. There are these people who buy second hand things. You can go negotiate the price, sell instead of accumulating the spaces in your house. It can be able to generate you income since you have already advanced. The third way on how you can increase your income, you can negotiate a salary increment either for your boss, and don't go direct to your boss and tell him, please sir or please madam, I need a salary increment. You need to think deeply. Come up with an idea which you can help your boss or your manager to solve a certain problem. And by doing this, it can be able to add you income. For example, you can go and tell your boss, we can do a benchmarking on certain price. And this remember that by us benchmarking on a certain thing in our services which they offer, the services or the sell goods which we also will sell, we can be able to beat them in the market. And I think even these they are very knowledgeable, they have wisdom, they know yes, these are the kind of workers which we need. He may promote you to higher rank in the company. And in the fourth week, you need to build a saving plan. This whereby you come up with an emergency fund. Emergency fund, these are money which you set aside for unexpected things. This will help you to avoid getting yourself into either unexpected debt, which may debt comes with interest, but since you had saved 3 to 6 months of your expenses, if, for example, if you spend 30,000 per month, multiply that one by 6, that's like 180,000. Set that one aside and get it out of your mind that yes, you cannot deceive yourself, but set it aside. Know that I don't have that money. In the case of an emergency, go and get that money. You are not able to touch on an investment or the money which you have sent aside. And some of us will take, for example, having a wedding like an emergency. No, that one you should have a sinking fund. I think I should make a video about the sinking fund so that I may explain more and more. The second thing is how you can do your savings is by you can automate. Some of us, more especially to we Africans, it is very yes we have deceived our salary, but the first thing which links into our mind is kupiga sherehe, spending. Yet if you have an automated money, for example, like the time you have a loan, when the money runs into your account, the loan money is deducted first because they know if they wait for you, you won't pay them the loan. That's why you see them, they deduct the money. So what can you do? Go and automate the save. And after you have said, for example, you have hit the target of your savings, use that savings and go and invest. Have an investment. For example, you can get yourself into the stock market. This is whereby you can venture in buying the shares. Currently, this in June, many companies they are paying dividend. I'm receiving a lot of, I'm enjoying praise. I'm really enjoying this money It is very, 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 very sweet. Have your money, for example, in stocks. Have other money into either money market funds, which they give you interest on monthly basis or on daily basis because they compound daily. You can either get yourself into ETFs, into the real estate. All these things they can be able to generate you income. And by the if you can be able to repeat this thing for 2 to 3 months, you are able to adapt to the system. So the first week you have seen is track or assess your current financial situation. The second week you cut the unnecessary expenses. The third week you need to increase your income. And on the last week of the month is you build a savings plan and having an investment. So drop a comment which area it has gotten you. Share it in the comment. Have you invested? Where does your money goes? Drop that in the comment. And if you have any question about finance, you can still ask and I can make video on the same. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscription button, like and share this video to many of your friends here. I offer the financial services. Let's meet in our next video. Remember that I upload such kind of video each and every day. Have a present time. Thank you. I really love you.